Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com. I'm Mark, and in this episode, we are going to talk about two important tenses: the present perfect and the past simple. Many learners confuse these two, but today you will learn when to use each one. Let's start with the present perfect. We form it with has or have plus the past participle. For example, I have visited Kyoto, and she has never eaten sushi. We use the present perfect to talk about life experiences, recent actions, or changes. The exact time is not important. For example, I have just finished my homework, or I have met many interesting people in my life. Notice that we don't say yesterday or last year with this tense. Now, let's look at the past simple. We form it with the past form of the verb. For example, I visited Kyoto last year, and she ate sushi yesterday. We use the past simple to talk about actions that happened at a specific time in the past. That time is finished. For example, I watched a movie last weekend, or he traveled to New York in 2019. So, what is the difference? The present perfect talks about experience, result, or something connected to now. However, the past simple talks about a finished event at a clear time. Here are two examples. I have seen that movie before, right? This is an experience. I saw that movie last night. This is a finished time. Past perfect, experience. Past simple, finished time. Now, here are some questions for you. I'd like you to answer them either in your head, out loud, or write them down in your notebook, okay? Have you ever traveled to another country? What was the last new food you tried? And lastly, have you ever lost something important? If you can, try answering these questions using both tenses, past perfect and past simple. Well, that's the end of today's lesson. Remember, use the present perfect when the time is not important, and use the past simple when the time is clear and finished. Keep practicing, and soon you will feel much more confident about using these tenses. Thanks for listening, and be sure to visit me at mksenglish.com. Bye, guys!